Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. With Easter just around the corner, I thought I would just show you a little bit of how I create some medium-sized Easter eggs. So I'm using a white chocolate here, which I have tempered in my little chocolate tempering machine, and then I'm just filling up the mold. So this process makes it really easy. Try to fill up your mold right to the top, so that everything is covered. And then what you want to do is you want to place it down and just give it a number of taps, and that releases air bubbles from the mold. And then simply inverse your mold and remove all the excess chocolate. The second way that you've seen me do it is by using a paintbrush and creating several layers. And then you just take your large spatula and scrape off all the excess. And then what I like to do is I turn the mold over, and what this allows it to do is create a nice edge, a nice thick edge on the chocolate. And several hours later, after the chocolate has firmed up, I'll use a hairdryer to heat the bottom of a cake tin, and then this allows me to put the two shells together. So I'll heat up the tin, and then we'll take each piece and place it onto the heated cake tin, which melts the chocolate and creates kind of a glue, and now you can stick both pieces together. And once it dries, you have a perfect egg. So then we'll do it one more time. I just want to make sure that the cake tin is properly heated, and then we'll do it again. So then we heat both shells, and then we just simply put the two pieces together, and there we go. So here we are at the end of the video. You can see how nice these little eggs are, and you don't need any of this special equipment to do this. You can do it at home just with melted chocolate, a paintbrush, and a mold. So that's it for this really fast video. Thanks for watching. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.